Good morning to all of you. Today we are going to discuss about the higher derivative of a function or successive differentiations. Here now y1 y dash dy by dx d1 are called first derivative. Now y2 y double dash d2y by dx2 are d2 are called the second derivative, and y3 or y triple dash or dqy by dx cube or dq are called the nth derivative. Similarly, y1 y to the power n d के power n y by dx के power n या dn are called the nth derivative. It means that this is also known as nth derivative. This is also nth derivative, nth derivative, and nth derivative. Now we take some example here. Now question number 46. If y equal to sine of sine x, then prove that y2 plus tan x y1 plus y cos square x equal to 0. And next problem, if y equal to a cos ln x plus b sin ln x and x square y3 plus p x y2 plus q y1 equal to 0, then find p plus q equal to y. Now solution of 46 here. Solution of 46 here, given that y equal to sine of sine x, so that differentiate it with respect to x, that is y1 equal to d by dx, so that sine of this is equal to minus differentiation of this is equal to sine x cos of sine x, and d by dx of sine x equal to cos x. Now here we have so that y2 plus tan x y1, this is y1, so that multiplying both sides with respect to tan x, multiply both sides tan x, so that tan x y1 equal to here tan x into cos of sin x into cos x. This can be written as tan x sin x by cos x, and cos x remove here only sin x, so that tan x into y1 equal to sin x and cos of sin x here. This is removed because tan x equal to sin x by cos x removed. Now this is relation 1, and here y1 equal to cos of sin x into cos of sin x into cos x. Now again differentiate with respect to x here. This can be written as d by dx y1 that is equal to y2 and d by dx cos x sin x into cos x. This is first term and this is second term. Now we apply the product formula in this case. y2 equal to differentiation of this remain, so that differentiation of this cos of sin x minus sin x, and this is sin x, and also d by dx sin x cos x, and 1 cos x here, plus first term here cos x into sin x, and d by dx cos x, that is minus sin x, that is minus sin x. Now we have to show that y2 plus tan x y1 plus y cos square x equal to 0. Now this relation is second, adding 1 and 2, adding 1 and 2 here, y2 plus this tan x y1 equal to y2 here minus sin x into sin x, sin of here in this case. Now again we see here y equal to sin of sin x, y1 is equal to sin x, that is cos x sin x, and sin x cos x, multiplying both sides tan x sin x by cos x remove, so that tan x y1 equal to sin x cos of sin x, and y1 again y1 equal to cos of sin x into cos x, y2 d by dx. This is the first term, this is the second term, this differentiation of, this is the first term cos of sin x, this is the cos of sin x, and this is the cos x first term. So the differentiation of this sin of sin x and sin x, differentiations of sin x cos x, and this cos x plus this term comes here cos of sin x, and differentiation of cos x equal to minus sin x, adding 1 and 2 here, y2 plus tan x y1 equal to this sin of sin x into sin of sin x into cos square x plus minus this minus here sin x and cos of sin x and cos of sin x and plus this sin x cos of sin x. In this case, this term and these terms, this is a negative, this is positive, remove, and comes here this term. Now y2 plus tan x y1 equal to this term sin of sin x, y equal to sin of sin x, so that this can be written as minus y of cos square x. This and this remove, imply that y2 plus tan x into y1 plus y cos square x equal to 0, and here we have proved that y2 plus tan x y1 plus y cos square x equal to 0, so that this is proved. Now we see another question here. Now here question number 47, y equal to a cos ln x plus b sin ln x and x square y3 plus b x y2 plus q y1 equal to 0. Then find p plus q equal to what? Now given that function y equal to a cos ln x plus b sin ln x, here differentiating it with respect to x, that is y1. Here a is a constant, cos of ln x, d by dx cos of ln x, here d by dx cos of ln x, d by d ln x cos of ln x, d ln x by dx cos, that is equal to minus sin ln x, and d by dx log x equal to 1 by x, so that this minus sin ln x into 1 by x. In the similar things, b is a constant and cos sin of ln x, sin x differentiation of this is cos of ln x, and d by dx ln x 1 by x, here 1 by x and here also 1 by x. This x comes to here x y1 and minus a sin ln x plus b cos ln x, here again differentiating it with respect to a x. This is a first term and this is a second term. First term remain the same, and differentiation of y1 equal to y2 plus differentiation of first x is 1 and y to second term same equal to a sin ln x, that is a cos ln x, and d by dx ln x 1 by x. Here b is constant, here cos ln x, that is equal to minus sin ln x, and d by dx ln x 1 by x. Here 1 by x, 1 by x. This x comes here with a multiplications, so that this is equal to x square y2 and x y1 here, and here remain minus a cos ln x minus b sin ln x, a cos ln x b sin ln x, minus taking minus common, so that this is equal to minus y. Now Again, differentiating it with respect to x. Apply here first and second term, so that first term is same, d by dx y2 and y3, and differentiation of first term 2x and second term same. Here in this case first terms are same, differentiation of second term is y2, and next step differentiation of first term 1 and second term same equal to d by dx, that is y1 here. Now x square y3 2x y2 and x y2, this become 3x y2, and this is y1, because 1 multiply y1, that is equal to y1, and here this is also minus y1 comes here, plus y1, 1 1 2 y1 equal to 0. Now given that y is equal to a cos ln x plus b sin ln x and x square y3 px y2 q y1 equal to 0, comparing it with x square y3 plus p y2 plus q y1 equal to 0. Now here in this case x square y3 px y2 and 3x y2 p equal to 3 and 2y1 qy1 and q equal to 2, and we have to find the value of p plus q, so that adding p plus q, 3 plus 2 equal to 5. This is our answer. Now we take another example. Now here question number 48. If y equal to e to the power 3 cos inverse x and 1 minus x square y2 minus px y1 minus qy equal to 0, then find value of p and q here. Solution of this: y equal to e to the power 3 cos inverse x here given. Now differentiating it with respect to x, this is equal to y1 and d by dx of this, so that e to the power x, that is equal to e to the power x 3 cos inverse x and d by dx of 3 cos inverse x, this is equal to cos inverse x here 3 and cos inverse x equal to under root 1 minus x square. Now here in this case, so that this can be written as here, this term in denominator comes here under root 1 minus x square into y1 equal to minus 3 e to the power 3 cos inverse x cos inverse x. Now again differentiating both sides. Here this is a first term and this is a second term. Now first term is same under root 1 minus x square, differentiation of this y1, that is y2 plus y1 same and differentiation of this 1 minus x square to the power half, that is minus this is equal to 1 by 2 to the power 1 minus x square, and 1 minus x square, that is minus 2 here, and equal to 3 minus 3 here. Differentiation of this is e to the power x, so that e to the power 3 cos inverse x, and differentiation of 3 cos inverse x minus 3 divided by under root 1 minus x square. Now here under root 1 minus x square, under root 1 minus x square, so that we multiply 1 under root 1 minus x square here, and this remove, so that this become 1 minus x square y2 plus this 2 and 2 cancel, 2 and 2 cancel, x y1 with negative sign, x y1 with negative sign, 2 and 2 cancel, this is equal to 3 3 are 9, this is a 3 3 is 9, and minus minus plus, this remove, and e to the power 3 cos inverse x is equal to y, so that this is equal to 9y. This is equal to 9y. Now 1 minus x square y2 minus x y1 minus 9y equal to 0. Comparing it, with this 1 minus x square y2 minus px y1 plus minus qy1 equal to 0. Here 1 minus x square y2 minus px y1, p equal to 1, and minus 9. Here this is equal to, in this case qi this, so that q is equal to 9. It means that p is equal to 1 and q is equal to 9, and we have to find the value of p and q. This is our answer. Now question number 49. If x equal to a t plus sin t and y equal to a 1 minus cos t, then find d2y by dx2. It is in the parametric form, so that value of x equal to a t plus sin t and y equal to a 1 minus cos t. Now dx by dt here, this is a constant a, and d by dt this is 1, and sin t, that is a differentiation of sin t with respect to t is cos t. Now dy by dt this is a and differentiation of this is 0 and cos t, that is minus sin t, so that it become positive sin t. It means that this is equal to a sin t. Now dy by dx equal to find the value of d2y by dx too, so that dy by dx equal to dy by dt divided by dx by dt. dy by dt equal to a sin t divided by dx by dt equal to a 1 plus cos t, 1 plus cos t, so that this is equal to a cancel and a cancel. Sin t can be written as sin theta equal to 2 sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2. In the similar sense, sin t 2 sin t by 2 into cos t by 2 divided by cos t, cos theta equal to cos square theta by 2 minus sin square theta by 2. And now this can be written as in this case 2 cos square theta by 2 minus 1. This is also 1 minus 2 sin square theta by 2. In the similar sense, here 1 plus cos t, this comes here 1 plus cos theta equal to 2 cos square theta by 2. Now 1 plus cos t equal to 2 cos square t by 2, so that 1 plus cos t 2 cos square t by 2. Here 2 to remove, and this is equal to 1 cos t by 2, 1 cos t sin t by 2 divided by cos t by 2. This is equal to tan t by 2, so that dy by dx equal to tan t by 2. dy by dx equal to tan t by 2. Now we have to find d2y by dx too. Again differentiating it, d2y by dx too equal to d by dx tan t by 2. This can be written as d by dt tan t by 2 and dt by dx. Now differentiation of tan t, that is equal to sec square. This can be written as sec square t by 2 and differentiation of t by 2, that is here half, and now dt by dx, here dx by dt is equal to this, so dx by, so that dt by dx is equal to 1 by these terms, 1 by these terms A 1 plus cos t, 1 plus cos t, so that this is equal to 1 by 2a and sec square t by 2, 1 by 2a sec square t by 2, and this can be also written as 1 plus cos t, 1 plus cos t is equal to 2 cos square t by 2, 1 by 2 cos square t by 2, so that 2 2 is 4, this is equal to 1 by 4a, and cos square t comes in the upper sign, sec square t by 2 and sec square t by 2, that is sec power 4t by 2. This is our answer. Now this is the value of d2i by dx2. Here. Now we see another example. Now like, subscribe my videos and share with your friends. Thank you.